Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Chia Learn. Please subscribe to this channel for more such videos and press the bell icon for getting latest updates. Today we will learn Kannada Gunitakshara. When we merge the vowels, that is Swara, to consonants, that is Vyanjana, it will form Gunitakshara. So here we will see the example. Say A is merged to K, that will form Ka. E is merged to K, it will form Ki. In this table we will see how the other letters are formed. So these are the swaras, A, E. These are the swaras, and these are the symbol to represent these swaras. And we will see how the merging and how the letters are formed, and here the examples of those letters. So this is the symbol for swara A, called Telekattu. When A is merged to K, it will form K, and the example word is Kamala. This is the symbol for swara A, called Ili. A plus K will form Ka, and example is Kage. This is the symbol for swara E, called Gudisu. E plus K will form Ki, and the example word is Kirita. This is E, and this is symbol for represent swara E, called Gudisina Dirgha. So K plus E will form Ki, that is Kita. This is symbol for U, called Kombu. K plus U will form Ku, and example word is Kushala. This is symbol for U, called Kombina Idi. K plus U will form Ku, and the example word is Kugu. This is the symbol for Ru, called Vatasruli. K merged with Ru, which will form Kru, and the example word is Krishna. This is the symbol for A, called Etwa. K plus A will form K, and example is Kempu. This is symbol for A, called as Etvana Dirgha. K plus A will form K, called, and the example word is Kesari. This is symbol for I, called as Aitva. K plus I will form Kai, and example is Kailasa. This is symbol for O, called as Otva. K plus O will form Ko, example is Kombu. This is the symbol for O, called as Otvana Dirgha. K plus O will form Ko, example is Koli. This is the symbol for Au, called as Autva. K plus Au will form K, Kau, and example is Kaushika. This is symbol for Anuswara. K plus will form Kam. Example is Kambali. This is Visarga. K plus will form Kah. This is the table which will explain how the other letters are formed. These are the swaras and these are the vyanjanas. We saw the example of K, how the swara is merged with vyanjana and form these letters. Similarly, you can try out for K merged with A will form K. K merged with A will form Kha. K merged with E will form Ki. Similarly, you can try out the rest of the table. Thank you.